There are some situations that prevent railroads from installing a permanent roadway worker protection system along their rail line. In these instances, Miller Ingenuity would recommend our portable ZoneGuard electronic eRWP kit. The ZoneGuard portable kit is durable and lightweight enough to easily transport the equipment from job site to job site and can be set up in minutes. The portable eRWP kit is used as a standalone system and does not rely on any outside onboard or signaling systems in order to operate. The TDMs that are placed at the outermost limits of the temporary work zone, which is typically defined by customer sight distance rules for watchmen, or are placed alongside approach and stop boards. TAMs are placed between the outermost TDMs to act as radio network repeaters for TDMs. The system will detect approaching on-track vehicles as they reach TDM locations and will generate alerts to all worker wearables connected to the network and train alert modules that are in use. As an additional alert to workers, TAMs also include a siren and bright side LED warning lights that are enabled when a train detection alert has been generated by TDMs. Once the alert has been received, workers have cleared to their place of safety, and it has been determined that it is safe to resume work, the ZoneGuard alerts are reset using working wearables or at any TDM/TAM location in order to receive an alert for the next approaching on-track vehicle.